guys, if you hear this TV in the background, just ignore that. We're gonna play a little bit of some Gary's Mod today, and we're gonna play my favorite server called Downtown or RP. I think it was RP underline Downtown V2, and this is the version 2. There's a version 3 already that came out a long time ago. This is one of my most favorite servers going on this. So, sorry, I'm just really nervous about my next DOG tomorrow. Anyway, I just took a DOG today at school, and it was 58 questions, really long. Awesome day, pretty good so far. Not some good things happening. So I don't think this is designing when to work. I mean, like, is it frozen or something? Is it because I'm recording a dumb video? Is it because it's not working? So weird. Yeah. So I'm gonna talk to the guy. So hold on. Sorry. Sorry. I put yell instead of up too. Okay. I hope it's working now. Oh, sorry. Oh, did he take it back? Jesus Christ. Just RP and yeah, and you guys can always find me on this is my downtown. I'm going to V2 downtown. Oh, and this is my friend, the walking dinosaur. Of course, I just walk. Anywho, this is possibly my tag for Gary's Mod. Why is it doing that? Is it lagging? I don't hope it's lagging. Okay, this is it. That's my Steam ID. Okay, now I'm gonna just delete it because it's getting pretty annoying for you guys, I think. Okay, we are set, I hope. Oh, I guess we have to join a different server because it's has an over thingy flow. Forgot what it's called. Okay, we're gonna join the snipe server. Okay. Sorry, but this is the first half of my video, so thank you for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. There's a second part about to come out, so yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.